Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our first poem. The name of the poem is The Road Not Taken, and the poet is Robert Frost. So, before starting, let us know about the poet. Robert Lee Frost was an American poet. He is highly regarded for his realistic depiction of rural life, and he was born on 26th March 1874. His very famous works are The Road Not Taken, the poem that we are going to read today, Fire and Ice, and Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. His work frequently employed settings from rural life in New England. So let us continue with our poem The Road Not Taken. Here in this slide, you can see the whole poem that is in your book, The Road Not Taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. This was the first stanza. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as far that passing there had worn them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. So, this was the poem. It is divided into 4 paragraphs. Let us now come to the explanation of first stanza. Before starting the explanation of the poem, let us go through the theme of the poem. The Road Not Taken deals with the dilemmas that every man faces in life. The two roads serve as a metaphor for the choices we make in life. Life throws up many alternatives to us, and we, being an individual, cannot take up all the choices. So the choices we make has a far-reaching results. Hence our decision is a shot in the dark. We are not knowing what is going to happen in future, but whatever we feel like is correct, we just choose that path. If the choice made by us happens to be not correct, then we have to face the consequences, as steps once taken cannot be retracted. It cannot be changed again. We cannot go in past and change our choices. So the whole poem, the theme of this poem is how we should take our decisions and how these decisions affect our future. So let us come to the poem.